Hi, I'm David, welcome to another video, and today we're taking a look at this safe here on the left, which is our Sussex Eurograde 1 size 1 digital safe. This is us, London and Home County Safes, londonsafes.co.uk. Please check us out online and you can see what people are saying about us here on Trustpilot and Google reviews. So the size 1 is from a family of 7 sizes, this being the smallest, and all 7 are available with this digital keypad as you see here, or in a conventional key locking version that you can see here on the size 3 that I've got on the bench here. So on the left we have a size 1 with a digital keypad, moving over a size 2 with a digital keypad, and then a size 3 with a digital keypad, and you can see the relative size difference between the 3 sizes. We've got another video that looks at the different sizes, but this video is focusing on the size 1, and let's take a look at it now. It's a Eurograde 1 certified and tested safe, so that means for insurance purposes it's automatically approved by any insurance company in the UK for storing up to £10,000 in cash or up to £100,000 in your valuables. The dimensions of this safe, the external dimensions are, it's 410mm high by 315mm wide, and it has a depth of 300mm. Internal dimensions, we'll open the safe up and have a look. Really easily done. You have a 6-digit code. Default code is 1 through 6, which is no secret. You turn the keypad and turn that handle and that opens the safe. And now we're looking at the inside. So inside the dimensions are 334mm high by 275mm wide, and a depth internally of 180mm. You've got that one shelf that can either be repositioned in those 4 positions that you can see there or removed entirely. It's got an internal capacity of 17 litres, and it weighs in at 55 kilograms and is fire rated for 30 minutes of protection for your documents and stuff. Throw these bolts out and give you an idea of how tremendously strong this safe is. It's a Eurograde certified tested safe. Eurograde is EN1143-1, and this is grade 1. So the safe has to be anchored to your building to be insurance approved, and it has to be done by a specialist contractor like ourselves. This safe has a base fixing hole for us to bolt it down to the floor, and another one in the back to bolt it to the wall. We always try and use both if we can. We issue you with a certificate of installation that shows the method statement of how it was installed to the manufacturer's standards. To have a quick look at size or storage capacity inside, I use a Coke can because it's an object that people are familiar with, an everyday object. I'll just pop it in the safe, and that tends to be helpful for most people to kind of get a scale of the safe. This is the smallest size. We have a luxury watch box, and as you can see, probably get 4 or 5 of those in there like that if you stack them differently maybe. This is an A4 piece of paper, not a great fit in this safe. I think you'd find that the door is actually going to push against the papers. You'd get A4 in there, but you can see it's folded it, creased the corner a bit. You'd have to do that, so it's not ideal. The size 2, when you move to the size 2, the safe next to it, the papers fit in there perfectly, no problem at all, plenty of room. Let's take a quick look at the electronic keypad. It's battery operated, 6 digits, your unique pin that you'd set. To open it and change the batteries, just pull that little door down. That's hinged and that drops down there, and there's your battery, which is a 9-volt battery. We use these pro cells, or industrial cells are always best. You just unclip it from there like a smoke alarm really. It's the same sort of thing, and then you close it. So hopefully you're going to buy a safe from us and we're going to come and install it for you. So during the checkout process, if you are doing that, and thank you if you are, there's a number of accessories that you can purchase. So the first one is a automatic light, battery operated, 3 AAA cells, and it's got a little movement sensor, and that pops onto the underside of the top of the safe, and as you open the safe the light comes on, illuminates the contents. Very useful for dark cupboards or wardrobes, things like that, so you can see what's going on in there. Then we have this, which is a flame retardant wallet, so you can put your A4 documents and bits and pieces in there for extra fire protection. We have a carpet base if you want a carpet in the bottom of your safe. As you see, they don't come with one. If you want one, then that's an optional extra. This is a pair of Faraday pouches for putting car keys in. Key cloning, theft of cars is very, very common now. You put your keys in here and the people with the dodgy equipment can't pick up the signal in the house to take your car away. And finally, we have this dehumidifier box, which you can put inside the safe. It's reusable. You can dry it out on a radiator, absorbs moisture, protects things from condensation, because you can get condensation form inside a big steel box like that. Also useful for keeping firearms dry as well, and these are all recommended accessories for your safe that are available at checkout. And there you have it. That's our Sussex size 1 Eurograde 1 electronic safe, and that's available with free delivery and free installation in all of these areas. We cover London, Bedfordshire, Berkshire, Buckinghamshire, Dorset, Essex, Hampshire, Hertfordshire, Gloucestershire, Kent, Middlesex, Oxfordshire, Surrey, East Sussex, West Sussex and Wiltshire. Check us out online. There's a link to this safe in the video description, and there's also a link to the range so you can see the other sizes. Thanks very much for watching.
Free delivery and free installation. Your safe will be delivered and professionally installed by one of our own vetted employees who will arrive in an unmarked vehicle. Get in touch online or call us on 0800 711 7892.